Hello viewer, if you face WhatsApp PDF viewer not showing problem, let's see how to fix WhatsApp PDF opening app not showing problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out apps. Go to apps. Now tap on choose default apps. From here, click on opening link. So in this list, find out PDF viewer or PDF opening app that you like, then allow permission for opening WhatsApp PDF file. If you have not any PDF viewer, go to Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store, then search any PDF reader. Then download any PDF reader. Now again open Google Play Store, search WhatsApp app. From here update your WhatsApp app. After complete the update process, go to your WhatsApp app. Now click on PDF. Now see WhatsApp PDF viewer showing in WhatsApp application.